In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make salmon cakes with canned salmon. Ingredients I will be using: 1 large egg, some all-purpose flour, an onion, a can of pink salmon. You can use any brand that you choose to use. This is what I'm going with today. Seasoning salt, black pepper. Again, you can use any seasoning you choose to use. And a little oil. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Let's get started. Gonna break it up some. Now I'm keeping the bones in mind. Now the way I'm preparing it is the way that I was taught. This is how my mama did it. So you can do it the way you choose to do it. This is how I was taught how to make them. Salmon cakes, patties, you know, depending on where you're from, they call them different things. Okay. The part of Virginia I'm from, they call cakes. So that's what I'm gonna call them in this video. Okay. Now we're gonna add some seasoning, just a little bit, because this can get salty real quick. Okay. Gonna add some black pepper. Alrighty. Gonna add my egg. And some of the all-purpose flour. Okay, I'm just gonna mix this together. Okay, gonna add a little bit more flour because this is not the consistency I'm looking for. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. You see that? Like that. We're gonna set this aside. You know, let it all come together. I'm gonna chop my onion. Looks like enough. Okay, now I'm gonna add the onions. Just gonna mix those in there. I have my pan on medium heat, and once this get hot, I'm gonna add my oil. Okay, please don't forget that your pan is heating up, so you might want to stand by, don't walk off. You can get away with just using non-stick cooking spray. Mama used 4. She ain't using no, she had to have the fat in her food, so yeah. So we're gonna use 4. Just a little bit. Just a little. Okay. That's probably too much. But we're going with that. Now how big you make these cakes, patties, whatever you choose to call them, it's totally up to you. Okay? I'm going for about that size. Now you can put them in your hand and pat them out. I ain't doing that. Okay. Smash them down just a little bit. I don't like mine flat. Too flat, should I say. I'm kind of like making a bowl in in the bowl. So I won't have to pet them in my hand, y'all. But if you feel comfortable petting them in your hands, do that. I don't like the way it feels, so that's why I'm not doing that. But hey, to each his own. Like I said, the way you make these is totally up to you. It's up to you. What seasoning you use, what brand of pink salmon you use, it's up to you. Y'all know what y'all like. Okay. I'm just going to let them brown on this side. I'll be back when it's time to flip them. So that's the color I'm looking for. Like that. And I'll be back. Okay, we're going to check the other side. Let's see, they got color to it as well. See? Okay, now I'm going to put them on a paper towel. Like that. Okay, this is what they look like. Delicious. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more oil to the pan for the rest of them. Just a little. I'm going to move that around. Okay, I did this the first time too. I just didn't show it. Sorry about it. Okay. I'm just gonna make this one. If you want all your cakes the same size, you can use an ice cream scooper or a measuring cup to measure them out. Ice cream scooper would be better. But hey, a lot of people don't eat ice cream, so they probably wouldn't have one on hand. But hey, I don't know. We're gonna put some of that with that one. How about that? So it can look like we made them even. Okay. Still not completely even, but y'all get what I'm trying to do. Alright, I'm gonna let them cook up and I'll be back with a finished plate. Okay. There you have it. Lemon cakes. This is what they look like. Break one open. And that's why I left the bone in there, because my mama always did, and we didn't choke on no bone, so hey. They so fine, they break down when you cook them. Well, that's been my experience. So, to each his own. Alrighty. Please check out another one of my videos if y'all don't mind. I would greatly appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.